family. Today I am on my way to Walmart and the grocery store. I have 2 doll orders to pack, so I'm going to show you guys that. I have 1 doll that I need to finish up and get it in the mailbox today, and I have another, well, she'll probably go out tomorrow because she needs the glue, but she needs her glue to dry. But I have a smaller order that needs to go out that's part of a larger order. So I need to go and buy some accessories for the doll, some outfits, blanket, you know, stuff to put in the box as a welcome home baby package, and that has to go out today. So I'm going to take you with me to Walmart. I also need to go grocery shopping, so I'm just going to stop by ShopRite and get a few things. I'm here at Walmart. I'm getting my bags together because I am so tired of getting 8,000 bags from Target and everywhere and then never reusing them. And then every place I go to, if I do self-checkout, I'm not putting that I took a bag. But if I don't do self-checkout, they're gonna try to charge me for bags. So no, I have 20 bags. I'm taking them with me. So let's go in here and see what's happening. First off, let's go ahead and get this cart that's been sitting here too close to my car. So let's get rid of that. No problem. Backing this car up. So. And ShopRite is right there. Okay, so I got these cute little outfits for the bigger doll. These 2 blankets to go in their opening, 2 sippy cups because they're toddlers, 2 passies that I'll split between the 2, a pack of socks that I'll split, and then for the smaller one, I got these. Zoe's got her first reborn baby. Wow, Zoe! You got a reborn baby? We gotta put some hair on her, huh? She doesn't have any hair. So pretty. You happy? Oh. Mason's got a baby too. But since he's a boy, he's doing boy stuff and stuffing things inside of the baby's eyeballs. Great. Eyes. Yeah. Yeah. Now Mason wants to take Zoe's baby. Zoe, can you let Mason hold the baby? No? Okay. You see the baby's toes, Mason? He's got a little bit of pink hair on the side. We're going to have to add some more. Baby's a little elf. Mason, give the baby back to Zoe. Nope. Give the baby to Zoe. Zoe, hold on. He just wants to see it. Okay. Okay, Mason. Hug the baby. All right. Here. This is Zoe's baby. Come on, you want to go get your cars? Okay, you can have that. All right, go back to stuffing this doll's head with plastic. Such a boy. Look at this little mama and her baby. Pat the baby. She's so happy. Rock your baby. Yeah. Don't pay attention to my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. But you guys want to see the real Santa's workshop? Let me show you the real Santa's workshop. Look at my Mason, you need help? Look at my children helping me put these dolls together. Look at this. They helped me take everything out the bin. We're gonna, what's the matter, baby? We're gonna assemble some, you need help? Okay, go get it. Go get it, mommy help you. We're gonna assemble some dolls. We got all the stuff up here that goes in the doll boxes. Right, Zoe? Zoe's working hard. Scratching her booty. Mason's working hard too. What's that, Mason?
The toes.
The toes, yes. What's that, Zoe? The toes, yeah, girl. I have to clean up this mess. We need to organize these doll parts and somehow get them to fit in here. I have more doll stuff downstairs. It's just too much stuff to bring up here. But since I have to do this anyway because they got my doll parts all over the floor, I might as well organize this right now and get it in here to fit correctly.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away, don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. And make you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been.
I'm about to add some baby hair to Little Miss Sunshine right here. I know she looks really creepy with no eyes. I'll put some eyes in and I'll add some baby hair. And then we're gonna glue her. And once she's glued, we'll wet her hair to give her some waves. And she's off to her mama. There are her eyes. All right, she's got eyes in. Let's get this baby hair going.